Google Ads 360, what it is and who should use it. Welcome to today's video where we'll explore Google Ads 360, a powerful tool in the world of digital advertising. Google Ads 360 is part of the Google marketing platform, specifically designed for large businesses and enterprises with extensive advertising needs. It offers advanced features beyond the standard Google Ads, such as automated bidding strategies, centralized reporting, and access to premium inventory across search, display, and video networks. With Google Ads 360, businesses can manage large-scale campaigns more efficiently. The platform integrates seamlessly with other Google products, providing a unified view of cross-channel performance. This is ideal for companies needing in-depth analytics, collaboration tools, and scalable solutions for their advertising strategies. So, who should use Google Ads 360? Primarily, it's for companies with high advertising budgets, complex marketing needs, and a requirement for tailor-made solutions. Marketing agencies working with multiple clients also benefit from its robust features that facilitate the management of comprehensive campaigns. If you're managing smaller campaigns, the standard Google Ads might be sufficient. However, as your business grows, the advanced capabilities of Google Ads 360 can help optimize your strategy, ensuring maximum returns on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into digital marketing tools and strategies.